Hello, the next in this series of recipes is an interesting hot sauce. This series offers many unique and flavorful ways to use hot peppers fresh, preserving the creations by water bath canning so you can enjoy and share your peppers year-round. It uses Scotch bonnet peppers, readily available in stores, and if you grow a few plants, you'll likely have a good bunch of peppers. The ingredient list is short and simple, so let's get into it. Dill pickle lovers, I bring you Honey Dill Hot Sauce. Now the ingredients. We have 2 cups of chopped dill pickle and a half cup of the juice, 5 Scotch bonnets minced, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. This makes 3/4 of a liter, so it's up to you how much you jar. 1/3 cup honey, 1/2 cup white vinegar, and a half teaspoon pickling salt. The prep is really easy. Chunk up your dill pickle, and I went directly to the dill pickle. We might have to try another sauce that's flavored with dill using the dill wheat. So stem and halve your peppers and remove the membranes. You want to use gloves when you're working with peppers, and when you're done, be sure to clean your hands thoroughly. So once your peppers are minced up, set them aside. And move on and mince up the garlic. Now, I do like dill pickles, and I don't like dill pickle chips. However, in my family, there's a lot of people who really do like dill pickles. So I've gone about making this sauce, and I've thought up a couple ways to use it. It does work well with hot wings, and I've got a couple times where I've put it in maybe a tablespoon into some egg salad. If anyone has any other suggestions on uses for this sauce, please leave them in the comments. So we'll get the 2 cups of dill pickle into the pot. And our peppers and garlic. Half cup white vinegar. And a half cup pickle juice. Half teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of celery seed. One teaspoon of black pepper, and 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Put 1/3 cup honey in. If you'd like to sweeten it up a little bit, you can go ahead and throw in a good healthy few more tablespoons or a good squirt of honey. The pH on this recipe works out to 3.65, and with a low pH, this batch can be doubled to make 1.5 liters. But before you get your sauce cooking, be sure to get your jars thoroughly scrubbed and washed, and put into the water bath counter for 20-minute water boil. Once the sauce is cooked through, you can put it into a blender, or as I'm doing, use an immersion blender, blend it smooth. It's going to be a fairly thick sauce, and a way to give it a bit more of a sauce consistency, I say, a bit more holding it together. You can add a half teaspoon of xanthan gum and blend in thoroughly into a hot sauce. So the jars are prepared, and get them out of the water bath counter. Get your utensils in for a quick boil and begin jarring. Whenever you're jarring, always fill it up to the bottom of the threads of the ring bands, leaving a 3/4 inch headspace for a proper seal. And I'm going to jar some and put some aside for immediate use in the fridge. This is a small batch, so with 3/4 of a liter, if you want to use some immediately, and then the rest will keep in the fridge for a few weeks. So get your ring bands and lids into the boiling water for 30 seconds or so to soften up the gum. Then get the lids and ring bands in place. Give them a little spin. And grab a tea towel or oven mitt. Give them a tight snug. Now down into the water bath counter they go for a 20-minute water boil. And just like that, they're done. Give them a little wipe. And over the next hour or so, you should hear the lids pop as they seal. So it's a fairly thick, kind of chunky sauce, not really a chutney. Definitely has a reasonable level of heat. You could change out the peppers for habanero, maybe use less, if you'd like to spice it up a little bit more. But this level of heat seems to work well. If you like this recipe, please give us a like. For easy access to the channel, subscribe. Your subscription would be appreciated. Let's give this a taste. Definitely dill pickle. Got a nice spice. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.